Okey, hari ini abang mengambil kesempatan mengucapkan ribuan terima kasih kepada abang iparku yang tersayang Haji Gapur and family sudi membelikan surprise cake hari ini 04042025. Sedang duduk-duduk ada delivery hantar kek Swenson. Birthday Abang Din yang sebenarnya adalah pada 02042025. Anyway, thank you very much. Semoga dibanyakan rezeki, diberi kesihatan sekeluarga. Okey, Abang Din tunjukkan birthday cake yang abang ipar Abang Din belikan. Okey, Abang Din nak taruh dekat dapur lah. Okey, mari kita pergi dapur. Allah Akbar. Kita pergi dapur Rumah Abang Din dah taruh kat dapur. Okey, Abang Din tengah tengok ceramah. Okey. Ni dia cake, birthday cake from Swenson. Tidur kucing. Ni birthday cake. Ni birthday cake dah. Ni Okay, nampak birthday cake. Ni from Swenson. Nampak. Okay. Thank you abang iparku yang tersayang. Color kuning favorite Abang Nordin pula ada tahu. Okay. Di sini Abang Nordin ambil kesempatan untuk teman-teman Abang Nordin yang nak buat earn extra money, do passive income, be Abang Nordin be a world business partner at Riway. PM Abang Nordin +65 -90106711. Okay. PM Abang Nordin understand more A to Z. You all take care, stay safe. Assalamualaikum and ciao. Pam. Selamat Hari Raya 2025. Maaf zahir dan batin. Ciao.
What are some of your best networking tips?
It's the best question of the night. So, the most important thing in business is, in my opinion, is your network. 100%. I know it sounds funny, but your net worth really is your network. I think it's so important to get around as many people as possible. The more hands you shake, the more money you make. If you don't know about someone or they don't know about you, you guys can never do a deal together. People ask me that all the time. I ask them, how many hands you shake today? They're like, what do you mean? Okay, you're online, you have an online business. How many DMs did you respond to? How many comments did you answer? You know, how many people did you engage with? They're like, oh, well, that doesn't go into sales. I said, yes, it does. Every single one of those people could be a lead, could be a client, could be a business partner, could be an opportunity. So if I could tell young people anything today, would be invest in your network.
The biggest scam on planet Earth is a job. Because think about it, you work for 40 years, 8 hours a day, and after 40 years, you are still broke. How is that not a scam? True? Now, how many of you work in a job?
Okay, all my TikTok brother, this is my company, Riway International. Come be my world business partner. This company belong to you forever. Just PM me 9010 11. You all stay safe. Take care. Love you.
My name is David Yo. So I hope can see you. This is the best business. Okay. Yeah lah. You need to come down and understand. It's a very big opportunity. The world business. Okay.
Okay.